Boys, we're back again at the reservoir. What, reservoir? The reservoir. We're here with the reservoir. The reservoir that we were at yesterday. Yesterday? The other day. Why am I speaking like this? Because I said reservoir. It's the same res, we're just on the other side. It's nice, though. Looks great. More walking. More dog walking. In a bed. Huh? More walking dog. Yeah. It's like real life Nintendogs. Except this dog's a fucking bitch. I think it's an alpaca. I mean, it is a llama. I don't know what it is. It's a big kangaroo. We've worked out that it is, in fact, a llama. So his name is now Cusco. Hey, Cusco. Hey, Cusco. Hello, my honey. Hello, my darling. Hello, my ragtime gal. Oh my God, Laura, look. That's Adrian's wall. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's this wall. All right. Oh, okay, Laura. Laura. That's Adrian's wall. Maybe. Nope. No, it's not. It's just another wall. Which one's Adrian's wall? Is it this way? Fucking beautiful view, how it is. Lovely, how it is. Look at that, man. Fucking beautiful, it is, boys. Welcome to Cooking with Jordan. Today, we're making some pasta. Look at this. Look at this squiggly wiggly, diggly wiggly, wiggly wiggly, stiggly wiggly, squiggly wiggly pasta we got. That's cool. We got onions, we got lentils, we got chopped tomatoes, we got regular tomatoes, we got peppers, we got onions. Kicking off, boys, making a bolognese. Un bolognese. Grazie mille. Also, when I say I'm making a pasta, I would take it back. Laura's probably going to make it, and I'm just going to stand and help. Probably just film her making it, to be honest. Because I'm no chef. El jefe, I am not.